Social Leader of the Year, an individual leading an NGO or a CSR team and should be above 30 years of age. CA Prabhash Jha. After a successful corporate career as a CFO, Prabhash set up Gyanoday to educate over 1,000 children every day through its 7 centers. It focuses on 3E: engaging, education, and elevating. Started in 2017 with 50 students, today the centers have over 90% attendance and over 60% girl students. From imparting doorstep education to using community centers, Prabhash has trained educated housewives to volunteer, reducing infrastructural costs and overheads. The parents of students too offer voluntary support in cleanliness, flood relief, and other need-based social initiatives, including now the fight against COVID-19.